Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a brand new video. I'm your host Ankit, and in today's video, I'll be showing you 10 different websites to purchase digital marketing tools at a one-time fee. Now, if you're someone who is new to the channel, then I request you to go and hit the subscribe button and tap on the bell notification icon. After that, select the all option. That way, you get notified each time we release a brand new video. So if you're wondering what is a lifetime deal, it is something wherein you pay once for a tool or a software and you can use it forever. The biggest advantage of this is you can save a small fortune over the years. I've compiled a list of sites from where you can purchase and get such deals. So there are 10 such websites over here. I'll be going to each of these websites and I'll give a brief overview of how they work and some of my personal recommendations. And a disclaimer here is that I am not affiliated with any of these sites. It's just my honest recommendation what I'm giving. The most popular site is AppSumo. So if you're a digital marketer, I'm sure you already know about this website. But if you're still unaware, so this is the website wherein you get all the lifetime deals. This includes WordPress tools, it includes learning management systems, video marketing tools, and a whole bunch of other stuff. This is by far the most popular site and my personal favorite. The next tool on the list is PitchGround. So this is again one of my personal favorites. Here you can get access to lifetime deals, and here they have shown their latest deal on the screen. If I click on the deals tab, it will redirect me to the page containing all their deals. So here you can see that they have most of it is lifetime deals and they sell really great products. Also, they have a kick-ass community as well. In addition to this, they also have a bunch of free courses as well from where you can learn and upskill yourself. The third website on this list is JVZoo Top Seller. JVZoo is an affiliate marketplace wherein you can promote other people's products. But personally, I wouldn't recommend this, although you get great tools, because the problem is sometimes there are people who sell junk over here, right? It's either a hit or a miss, so it's difficult to predict on JVZoo. Having said that, it is still a decent place to buy some tools. So here you can see that there is a list of the top performing tools based on the total sales, and again they filtered it by date. The fourth website on the list is DealMango. This is again a trustworthy website where you can get access to lifetime deals and you can again filter by category, which is visible in the drop down. And the fifth website on the list is DealMirror. DealMirror is another great website to get access to lifetime deals. And as you can see here, they have a wide variety of tools. And also you can submit a deal over here as well if you're a SaaS company owner. And here again, you can categorize and apply filters. Here is the lifetime deal option. The next site on the list is Stack Social. So Stack Social is not particularly for digital marketing or SaaS tools, but it has a whole variety of tools. Under the shop tab, as you can see, there are online courses, there are even physical products here as well. And if you just choose the software option, then you can view digital marketing tools and other SaaS products. And the next tool is the next website is Dealify. Dealify is a pretty good platform, but personally, I'm not a big fan of it because they have very limited deals over here, and they rarely, bring in new deals. But still, it is a good platform to buy tools. But I only wish that they, update more tools on their websites and, partner with more SaaS founders to bring in more deals. So that's the biggest drawback of Dealify. And then coming to Promote Labs, this is the next tool on our list. Promote Labs is a good website, but you have to go scroll down at the bottom, and here you can see deals of the month and other things which are visible. So they should improve their user interface and user experience, because it's difficult to find the deals on the home page unless you scroll down over here. And now going to the next site, Grab Ltd. This is again one of my personal favorites along with AppSumo and PitchGround. Here you get a wide variety of tools, and particularly, as the name suggests, they deal only with lifetime deals. That is, you pay once and you use it forever. And I like the interface of this website. Here you can see it's very crisp and it looks neat. They have made a table like this wherein you can view all the deals that are available. And again, they have some giveaways as well, wherein you can participate in contests and you can win access to these tools. And they have a dedicated Facebook group as well. Most of these websites, they do have a dedicated Facebook group. And the penultimate tool is Deal Fuel. So here again, it is nothing great compared to the other websites, but still they have pretty decent tools over here. And personally, I'm not a big fan of this website, because most of these tools, they are either picked up from JVZoo or any other website. So they've just curated the tools. And finally, okay, I think that is the list. So I've wrapped up with 10 tools. Let me go back and recap. So here are the sites I covered: AppSumo, PitchGround, JVZoo. In that, JVZoo top sellers. So you have to go to this particular URL, jvzoo.com/products/top sellers. And then DealMango, DealMirror, Stack Social, Dealify, Promote Labs, Grab Ltd, and DealFuel. And among these, my personal favorites are JVZoo, PitchGround, and I also like Grab Ltd. So these are my personal favorites. And once again, full disclaimer, I'm not affiliated to any of these sites, and it's just an honest recommendation that I'm giving. So what is the next action step for you guys is just go and explore all these websites and just sign up for their newsletter, or they have some deals as well, right? If you're someone who's new and if you sign up, they will give you some coupon code or discount. So just sign up for all these. That way you stay updated. Each time they release a new tool, you get notified via email. So I hope you guys like this video. And if you did, then hit the subscribe button, press on the bell icon, and make sure you like the video and drop a valuable comment. So that's it for this video, guys. This is Ankit signing off.